Gotcha.
Oh, Jesus.
Breathe, breathe.
Whoa. I didn't think that was possible. Oh, gosh. Wow.
Nice and balanced and even like so, but as your pelvis is kind of going like this, your spine's going to shift with it. So the first adjustment was correcting your pelvis. Now as the spine is shifting to the left, you want to get it back into a good alignment so it can have good motion and movement. Like we talked about, if you have those things, it's going to function better, so it's going to feel better.
Right here.
Did you hear that one?
Oh yeah, everywhere.
That was awesome.
That felt amazing.